Eric Mwather with Mwather.com. It is February 25th, 2015. Just got off the phone with you, and I want to share with you what I was talking about. We were talking about this FNMA trade, which is up about 4%. And I just want to show you what I was looking at in terms of a speculative play. Now, I mentioned the daily. So let's do that. Take a look at the daily. And you can see what I was talking about was this recent breakout here. In fact, I can even extend that line. It still makes sense. You can see that we broke out, and now we are coming to test that line. And the breakout I'm talking about is here. So that's the entry. Stock moved from 225, 230 all the way to 350. That's a big gain. And the fact that it's coming to the same level and showing some type of possibility of support here could indicate, if you want to throw some money here to see whether it goes to trade in the fours, no, nothing wrong with that. It's a risk trade because this is not one of the best looking charts out there, but just from the point of view of momentum, if it's going to work out, it's going to start by doing so right here. We take a look at the hourly, and we can see that the hourly, this move here to here, nice move for a big percentage gain, began during this breakout in the RSI. And if we extend a straight line, something like that, you can see that we are now back above the green line. And I think that's where, if it's going to work out, it starts moving, and you can already see a little spike on an hourly chart. One of the reasons why I could be a little bit not too sure here is because on the weekly, if it's gonna stall, probably gonna stall where it stalled most recently, which is here, something like that. And also maybe the extension of that break. So if we extend that, let me draw a different color here. The extension, oops, give me a second, let me get this right. So the extension of the same break line, if we extend it, you can see that if it's gonna stall definitely around here, then the weekly RSI is showing potential for resistance. So yes, I don't like it, but for a trade that could give you anywhere from, let's say, 10%, 20%, 30% in a couple of days, maybe a week or two, this is a stock that could do that, but it is a risk trade. Again, the reason why I mentioned it is purely from a momentum standpoint and purely looking at it from the daily chart, where we are seeing that it is showing the potential of moving above the prior RSI break line. So generally speaking, this is where we go long once we see a breakout, and we ask questions later. Eric Mwather, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!